My name is Javed Hussain. I'm the loyalty manager for Hornby Hobbies, and we manufacture and resell hobbies. So the name of the loyalty program is Hobby Rewards, and essentially what Hobby Rewards is rewarding people for their hobbies. We like to say hobby in your pocket. We like to reward and remind our members that being a member with us is us recognizing that you have a passion and you have a hobby. We like to remind them that it's not an expense to spend on your hobby for something that you enjoy and you have a passion about. So this is our loyalty program dashboard. You can see that the members can see their available points, and if they have any pending points, they can also navigate through and they can see the rewards that are available to them that they can redeem. Some of these are from our partners. Through our program, we're able to offer partner rewards to our members. So what this means is they're able to spend their points earned on the rewards which are available. Now, these rewards can be anything from a day out with their family to a discount on a specific product or a SKU that other partners are offering. So I feel like this is one of my personal favorite rewards, is because it's not only reflecting that they can use their points towards our products, we also have the partner rewards that are available as well. And that's only through the power of Antavo that we're able to do that. We've been able to roll out our digital wallet, which is actually one of my favorite features about Antavo. It's actually enabled me to open up another channel of communicating with our members. We can send them push notifications. Not only are they alerted of when they've earned points, we can also schedule and push notifications to their smartphone to alert them of when there's an offer available as well. We can also alert them if they're nearby to a trade partner location as well, through geographic targeting as well. I think Antavo as a platform itself has been amazing. And I don't just say amazing, I mean in the sense that I've been able to really get under the bonnet of Antavo and see that most of my questions and queries that I had for example, I was wondering, can I do this? Can I do that? I would always ask the CS team. I would ask Sarah, I'd ask Eleni, but I'd also dive in and I'd work out and I'll test in the Sandbox area and I'll test myself and I'll see if Antavo can do this, Antavo can do that. And Antavo can. Most of the time, the answers to my questions was Antavo can do this, Antavo can do that. Even if I couldn't see it directly, either through the help of Balint or the customer service team or the customer success team, I was able to get an answer and a solution. So I think as a whole, and not Antavo just as a platform itself, as a whole, my whole experience with Antavo has been amazing.